introduce ourselves. My name is Rianto Siringoringo and my partner.
My name is Sabilani Fatun. Today we will present a simple conversation about hobbies.
Enjoy for watching, guys. Bila, what do you usually do when you have free time?
I usually watching a movies. How about you?
I always reading a book when I have free time.
Oh, that's a good hobbies.
Yeah, I think watch movie is some good.
Yes, our hobbies are different, but both of them is really usefully and enjoyable.
I agree to you. Hobby is very important.
That's true.